What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. We just made it here to Irwindale Speedway. There's a lot of stuff going on here. There's like a drifting event, slash car show, slash drag racing, slash donut box. There's a bunch of things happening today. So I thought it'd be a perfect time to pull out the vlog camera, make a vlog for you guys, get some footage. And I also wanted to come watch the drifting. As you guys know, I'm building a drift car soon. So come here, get some inspiration. And hopefully soon I'll be out there too. But right now we're about to head to like the little car show area, check out some of the cars, and then go watch the drifting, which I'm most excited about. Dang, why did no one invite me to the show? Guys, I haven't been to a car show in a long time. Like actually had my car in a show. I used to do it a lot, but damn, what the? That's just stock? Imagine you get pulled over? What do you think a cop was? A pink 240? Nice. E30. Guys, look at this RX-7. Bro, this shit's nice. It's hard to find like a clean RX-7. That shit is hard. It's GTR. Oh shit, there's like 3 of them. Bro, these GTRs are like insane. Dang. Bro, we're all matching now. Look at it. I know. Look, you got it kind of. Guys, look at this R8. No life. Damn, dude, that R8 is so low. Like, it's literally on the floor. That is insane. And we got Trev's M3 E92. You guys remember when I put his wheels on my car? Well, we tried these wheels on my car. I missed them, I'm not gonna lie, Trev. Those are so sick. Another R8. I think this one was Nigel Houston's. I think I remember seeing it. It's so sick. Bro, there's so many cars. That Porsche is insane. But check out this M6. Damn, bro, that shit's nice. Wide body everything, bro. Look at this one. E92. Wide body. Oh my god, he really has these seats. I want these seats so bad, bro. They're so clean. Yeah. Damn, I've never seen this guy's car in person. It's so nice. Single turbo? That's just probably fast. I literally found out about this show, guys, last minute. Maybe 2 hours ago. It's a good thing I came, because I would have had no vlog today. Mustang, food. That one, he was on the wall, food. Needs more power, food. Damn. This is goals, guys. Now we're kind of behind the scenes of all the drift cars. That's sick. Look how badass, dude. That dash is sick. All suede. Check this Mustang out. Big old turbo. Pro Charger? I don't know, dude. That shit's huge though. Funny, there's drag racing right there, and then there's drifting right here, all in the same spot. That shit is badass. I should buy Boss Willie's. Woo, that shit's hard. I think this is the daily driven exotic Supra, and then they sold it. And somebody bought it, but it's pretty sick. I saw it for sale too. It would have been cool to buy it. Oh look, daily driven exotics. Bro, they're sick. I kind of want one. That's nice, bro. Midnight Club? Bro. I don't know, bro. It's sick. It's cool. Alright, guys, we made our way to the drag area now. Here are the fast guys. I don't know who got it. Who do you think is gonna win, Rick? 69. Imagine the 335 max it. Who's gonna win, the Tesla?
Nothing but the top of the line.
Oh shit! Bro, the Tesla's gone! What's up? We're getting everyone that's aired up right here. I like it. That's just pretty nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. GTR is so clean. That's crazy. Bro, that's just clean, dude. That's just mean. What's up, Hugo? Where we at, bro? About to buy a new car? Possibly, maybe. Right. Me and Hugo just pulled up to this dealership. I've been here a couple times already, once with Kevin, but we wanted to come by, see if maybe they have more GTRs available. Maybe another car that, maybe a F80, I don't know. We're gonna go look. They always have sick cars here, and maybe come out with a new car. I don't know. Probably not today, but I am looking for one. And if I find the right one, who knows? All right, we made it. We're here, Hugo. Imagine, dude, this is our garage. I wish, holy shit. First thing I see, guys, is a Huracan. Must be nice. One day, I swear my goal is to have this in the next 5 years or less. I will, bro. Damn, they still got this SB in here, all blacked out. Bunch of Lambos, dude. Oh, I want a Lambo so bad. Bro, the doors are full carbon. They got white seats, or white interiors and stuff. White accents, red seat belts. This is my ultimate dream car. I'm not even kidding, exactly like this. Or red, bro. Red or black, I'm down. Wow, dude, red Alcantara. It's also red in here too. Bro. That 720S is sick. R8s. Where you at, Hicks fam? I want one, dude. Guys, I want so many cars. Especially being in here, I wish I could have all of them. What I'm really looking for, yes, is a GTR. Let's go find one. Bro, they got a red Lamborghini Urus. Urus or Urus? I don't know how to say it, but I want it. And it's red too. I love this car. The only thing is I think they're the same price as a Huracan. And I think I'd rather take the Huracan over it. But this will be like the perfect daily, bro, if you're just a baller like that. Oh, there's a Demon here. I don't think I've seen one. This shit is sick. Dodge Demon. This is the only Dodge that I like. Demon. Doesn't it make like 800, 900 horsepower or something like that? I don't know. Something crazy. Let's look outside. I literally can't find any GTRs. Either they sold them all or they put, since the GTR looks like it would be the cheapest thing in here. Fly outside.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching.